Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to control volume on Hisense TV with our remote. I know that this not is a Hisense is a LG TV, but doesn't matter because it's the same way if you have another TV, because you can find in your app store different apps about remote controls. This is a universal remote control, okay, with 2000 reviews, or this, or you can use this for your unique TV, Hisense TV, like me, because I use LG remote control. Open with that, and now this is my control. Can you see that? Let me show you how can I put more volume. Can you see that? Do you see that? Or less volume? It's so easy and really fast. Now, this is all for this video. I know that is awful my English, sorry for that, but I just want to show you how can I control my TV with our remote. This is all. Have a good day and see you later.